class, you can play whatever music you want on basic. Basically, all the ones after that. I think whenever you're using
Eric, if you got one of our CDs, 17 is the sweet.
Swap the DC.
I'll let you have a couple qualifying attempts. Let me know when you're ready. We'll start the clock. Your score will be displayed on the left-hand side of that scoreboard up there. Slight chance of rain.
You think?
It is dry inside Creative Karate. Gonna go inside, take a good look around. Pardon? Correct. If you want to play.
I'm good.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Ready.
Local classes, you must play music. By the way. There you go. Would you like to do that one more time, sir? One more time?
Official qualifying scores. Lane 1, Air Clifton, MSB2, 143.3 DA. SBO qualifying rounds. Lane 1, Air Clifton, MSB2 class. Competitors stand by.
Yeah, go ahead.
Butterflies are bad. Does he even have?
Eric, are you ready, sir? One more time. There you go.
Ready. Set. Go.
Probably owns equipment.
20 seconds.
Inside, outside, underside. Fast check of people scores for Creative Karate tonight. That's time, buddy. You get 30 seconds. Good job.
Official qualifying scores. Lane 1, Air Clifton, MSB2, 143.0 DA.
Eric, if you want, you can actually pull forward and exit versus batting.
Scored 1.